This is Lulu, a small green parrot who likes to play with leaves. Yoo-hoo! Over here! Peekaboo! Look at these beautiful leaves. What is the first sound you hear when you say leaves? Leaves, leaves, leaves. What is this? Are we going to color? Oh no, that's another plant with leaves. What we are searching over here? Oh, we are searching something which is on to Lulu. Let's see what is it. That's a lion. A picture of a lion. Lion. There he is, Lulu and the lion. Oh, he's playing with my flashcard. Now it's time to do a small activity, children. Oh no! Don't take it, Lulu. Give it back. Let's see, where is the sound? Not B, not A. Oh, not H, not A, not That's the sound. Lion, Lulu, lamp, lemon. Lion, lion, lion. Are we going to draw a lion over there? Oh no, let's wait and see. For this creative activity, you can use a canvas or an A4 sheet, and you can keep ready your favorite paints. And yes, your paint brushes. First, take a shape of sound, like this way, and place it on your A4 sheet or on your canvas, like this. What I'm going to do now? Got an idea. Yes, I can take leaves. Oh, no. It's not a good thing to do. You can use the dry leaves over there. See? Many dry leaves. Collect some dry leaves if you have. If you don't have any dry leaves or plants at home, you can take a green color paper and cut some leaves for this activity. He's playing. Lulu is playing and having fun. Let's start our activity. Come on, Lulu. It's time to finish our work. Don't forget to say the sound. Lion, Lulu, lemon, lamp. So while you're doing the activity, while you're following the instruction, please make sure to say the sound. Then you will get a practice too. Here we go.